This information is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to substitute for professional medical advice and should not be interpreted to contain treatment recommendations.
Hello, my name is Sarah Warmby. I'm a certified wound ostomy continence nurse and clinical consultant with Coloplast. This module will include how to use the SenSura Mio one-piece pouching system. Now, today I do have a model here for teaching purposes, but I do have everything out that you might need to change the pouch. I want to go over some features of the one-piece system here, okay? Now, I want to start with the filter here. We have a pre-filter here. This helps collect the thicker contents to help prevent this from getting clogged up quicker. So this is the charcoal filter here. Now when the patient does take a shower, it is important to cover this with waterproof tape. If you do get the box in your facility, we do have these circular stickers available so that you may cover the charcoal filter, so that way you are able to protect this filter during a shower. And then of course after the shower, remove the circular sticker or waterproof tape, and then the patient is able to go about their day. Now, anything that you see on the pouch that has a blue color is an action item. So for instance, on the back, you have your barrier here. You have circular guidance here that will help with cutting the pouch out. And then also, this is where you will pull the backing off to stick to the patient. Down here, this is the drainable version. So I do want to demonstrate on how to close this properly. So you want to make sure that these two Velcro circles come towards the patient. 1, 2, 3, and then you Velcro close. And then you are able to tuck this in once more. Now when you're opening it to empty the pouch, you open the Velcro, you roll this out, 1, 2, 3. Make sure that you are going to Velcro the back edge, so that way it's easier to empty. All you do is squeeze the sides, okay? And then clean with toilet paper inside and on the edges. Be sure to fold this out and over so that way there's no leakage, okay? 1, 2, 3, close. All right. Now when you're cutting the pouch out, you want to make sure you have a stoma guide. This is very helpful to make sure that you cut a pouch that's going to fit the stoma properly. So I'm going to take a look here and see what's going to be the best fit here. You want to get snug up to the stoma so that you make a good seal around the stoma. We're at 38 millimeters. So you take this measuring guide, trace with a marker, and then when you're cutting the pouch out, especially for one-piece systems, it's very helpful to pull the plastic away from the barrier so that you don't cut through the pouch. If you do cut through the pouch, then just start over with a new pouch. Hold on to the barrier while you're cutting. It helps to hold on to the edge and turn the pouch itself while you're cutting, so that way you don't cut through the pouch. And you can make a nice smooth cut as well. Okay. Now that you have your whole cut, check to make sure it's a good fit. There's a good fit here. Going back to the blue action item, you're going to peel off the backing here. You want to center over the stoma and then push down. Make sure you have a seal right around the stoma first, and then you work your way out. And then you want to hold it in place for a couple of minutes. The heat from your hands activates the adhesive and makes a much better seal.